my lovely friends, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is about the 8 recommended web series which you must watch. We go further into the list. Let me introduce myself. My name is Nabina Yasmin and I am in the blog Glittersea. Please like, support and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon below. So let's just get tuned to my channel and go to the list directly. भरोसा वही तोड़ते हैं जिन पे हम भरोसा करते हैं. Yeah, you got me right. So this is from the web series Arya. I just really love it. It's a series which gives so much strength to a girl character, where a girl who is a wife, who is a daughter, who is a mother, and who is tactfully handling all the crisis period.
The storylines here reflects the vulnerability and how people can take out the best out of their vulnerability are showcased, and here reflects how she tactfully handle all the crisis situation, and this is a must watch. You should go and watch this series definitely.
The next recommendation is The Protector. It's a Turkish drama series which you should watch it. It has 4 seasons and all of the seasons are worth watching off. It starts with Hakan, who is a normal person, and suddenly it seems that his ancestors are fighting with some enemy who are immortal, and this is all about the fight of going back to the other time and then coming back to the Turkish world, where lots of hypocrisy, lots of crisis to the normal peoples are being caused by these immortals, and how a single person can has the power to stop all this. So you should watch this.
And Hakan is so good looking and so handsome. You should watch this series.
Bella Ciao, Bella Ciao, Bella Ciao, Ciao, Ciao. So this song is very familiar with, and this is none other than Money Heist. It's a lovely series. It's a Spanish series, but you will get the translations in English. It's been focused in Netflix, and you should watch all the episodes. It's such a very crime thriller kind of a series, where a professor will be there who will be giving so much intellectual plans to rob a mint of Spain and also Bank of Spain. So this is a very nice series to start with in this weekend. And let me know in the comment box below which is your favorite character from Money Heist, because I love Tokyo's character the most. Then Nairobi's is also awesome. Next series is Designated Survivor. It's such a potential and terrifying plot about how to take the seat of an US government, and this has been played fairly by Kiefer Sutherland. He has played it very nicely. I will recommend to watch it. How a simple common man will be changed into a US president, and how his leadership qualities will make everyone be in awe of him in a nice way. So it's a very nice series to go and watch for. A recommendation will definitely go for Go. Go is a series about a teenager girl, how she is getting admission in a very big school of arts of dancing. She has a passion of dancing, and how she is getting challenges from the rich brats who are there in the school. So anyhow, she is very positive to carry on her dreams, and the positivity and the way she sings and dance will make you feel the same. So I just love Go. I just love Mia. She is very beautiful, and the way she sings Spanish song, it's so good. You just have a watch to Go. It's been focused on Netflix. The next recommendation is about Patal Lok. Patal Lok is a very nice crime background series. So in this series, the bad realities of Delhi region is being showcased, and how a criminal born out from a normal person, and how a hero born out from a police inspector who is been abused by his not abused, who has been been played off with his seniors. So this is a very nice series to watch on, and this is very lovely series. I really love it. I really love Patal Lok. So the next one is Special Ops. It's been focused on Hotstar. It's again a thriller story about how the attack on Parliament taken place, and how the CBI investigations are going on. Along with that, the struggles that the CBI personalities have in his real lives, in his personal lives, and also how they have to be answerable for every good thing they are doing. So this is a very nice series Mr. Menon has been the hero over here. So it's a very nice series to look. Just go and watch Special Ops. It's a must watch. Last but not the least is Asur. Asur is a very good thriller series where you will find the corrosive nature of a religion, which will turn how hatred and neglect will turn a child to some kind of criminal who thinks that everyone does mistakes, and it's just the people who are putting off a mask on their face. Everyone has a bad side to it, and he always emphasizes and makes situations which make people to take out the bad side of themselves. So Asur is a very strong potential series to watch upon. I was totally glued at that time when I was watching Asur. It's very nice series to look on, and you can see it in Voot. Asur has been forecast on Voot. Yeah, so that's all recommendations which I had seen till now in Voot, Hotstar, Amazon Prime, Netflix. So you should watch this. If you forget to like, share and subscribe, because your subscription means a lot to me. So with my next upcoming video, I will be again back to you. And till then, take care of yourself, be safe, be happy.